I haven't done my hair yet. Well, last night I was out way too late. I didn't drink. I don't drink. I went out with some friends in like a big group, and I just kind of realized I don't enjoy it anymore. I tried to be social, but like I just don't like being out that late. I don't like the bar scene, at least where I live. I did meet some super cute girlies though. Everyone was really nice. It was just like, I don't know. I just feel like because I don't drink, and I feel like ever since COVID, to be honest, the bar scene where I live is dead. Non-existent. I feel like I'd rather do, like, go out, get a nice dinner, go watch sunset, go to like an event. I don't know, something other than just like the bars here. Because like I wake up and even though I didn't drink, I still feel hungover just because I got no sleep. And it's just like, it's ruined the whole day. Because now I can't go to the gym because I feel like garbage. I met the sweetest like subscribers last night. It literally made my night. To show you guys quickly like my main routine. I just have concealer on. I normally do like a foundation look with this, but I didn't feel like putting on foundation. But I have lunch with a friend, so I gotta get ready. I'm running late. I have to do my hair. I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try like the curl diffuser with like the blow dryer. If I were to cut my hair short, I do think it would have like some ringlets in it because my hair is so long it weighs down the curls, but I still have like waves. So I want to see. I think my hair is way too long to even do that, but I'm gonna attempt the diffuser. This was $22. I have no words. That is the tiniest, $22 for this tiny thing. Made me sick to my stomach. But the freckles are freaking cute. I saw a TikTok of this. I used to just like contour right here and then right here. And then he was saying to make a button nose, you want to contour the whole bottom part of your nose, like not just like right here, like the whole bottom part. So I've been doing that lately, and then, you know, I still go in and kind of contour like right here. I feel like when you put bronzer and blush all right here, you just look like you've been in the sun. You look so dang good. I literally, like, this is bronzer, not blush. Like, I used to just put blush here, but like I feel like the bronzer has been a game changer. Like, every time I do this look now, I've just been feeling myself, especially once you add the freckles. You just look like a summer goddess, and I'm here for it. And then you gotta contour my forehead because I have a massive forehead. And then you blend it out, and then we're gonna do blush next. So we do it right here, and then up here as well, just lightly. Like, you don't want to look too pink up there. And then again along the nose, like we've been, oh, so cute. And then we're gonna blend it out. You guys are probably like, girl, this crazy. But the goal is to literally look like we have been in the sun. Use the Wonder Skin lip stain again. I don't get the hype, but I want to get my money's worth. And even though it is very, very faint, I do feel like Wonder Skin is a little bit better than the sachet ones all over TikTok. Okay, we're letting that dry for like 20 minutes. And then I switched to brown mascara over black. I am running so late, but I've got my makeup done. Now we're gonna do the Freck XL. Literally only lightly dot it and put it all right here. And it looks different every time because obviously they're not real, but my lips are burning. I'm building a plump lifter that has chili pepper. Yeah. I have quite a few colors, but this is the Peach Fever over top of my lip liner. And it gives you a pump, but it also stings. But I freaking love this. I kind of like it better than the Duck Lip NYX product. And you can get it at Target, and it's not like ridiculously expensive. And voila, we've got faux freckles. My battery's gonna die. Now I need to go do my hair. Well, first we need to set with the Urban Decay setting spray, and this is the Ultra Matte. Make sure to shake it or else it'll come out white. I freaking love Urban Decay. All right, we're gonna put in the Extra Hold hair gel. This isn't curl gel. I need to get more, but I don't know how to do this. This isn't coming out right. This is what I'm getting right now with just scrunching. Now we're gonna take this and okay, so not the best. I feel like, again, if it was shorter, I could get curlier to the root, but because my hair is so long, I just can't. But now I gotta get dressed and I gotta go. Sunglasses on. Okay, so I just got back. My face is oily. Really oily. It's hot. We ate outside, so it was hot. I have the worst headache, so I stopped at Target to get some medicine because I don't have any. And yeah, I'm not feeling the best. This is why I don't go out. This is why I don't stay up late. My body just can't handle it. So I'm gonna go in and take my medicine and probably just lay down for a little bit and then clean. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog anymore. A lot of PR, and I did a lot of shopping on my end too, and I want to show you guys because I'm super excited. I have probably one of the coolest PR packages I have received. Got PR from Urban Decay. Can we just take a moment? I have been wanting to get a makeup PR for so long, and I've slowly been doing, like, especially on like TikTok, more like makeup style stuff. And so the fact that Urban Decay reached out to me, like, I've been buying their products for years, is literally insane. The packaging is so dang cute. So we got that, which we will open. We've got Olaplex, another one. Love Olaplex. I've been using Olaplex for years. I literally used my standalone treatment before I bleached my hair. Love their standalone treatment. And this one I have no clue. It doesn't say from where, so I don't know if this is something I bought or PR. Like, the bag doesn't say it. From 437. I love 437, so I want to unbox and show you what I got sent. I love their bathing suits, and their BBL jackets are literally insane. And then also I got a Lucy in the Sky package, Crop Shop Boutique DFYNE, but that's not PR, so I'll show that after this. So, oh, that's right, they have a new setting spray. They made a custom bag. I'm genuinely just, I can't get over it. Like, Urban Decay put my name on a bag. I'll never get over that. I love you guys so freaking much. And then inside the bag, I use this every day. Every day I do my makeup. I use the long-lasting, the all-nighter setting spray before and after my makeup. So they gave me a full size. Not just a travel size, a full size. And then we have the all-nighter ultra matte. I get super oily, especially in summer. And then I believe this is their new one that has hyaluronic acid and watermelon extract in this. So I've heard really good things about this one, so I cannot wait to try. And then the Extra Glow Long Lasting Setting Spray All Nighter. Last one has vitamin C in it, and it's got cactus flower water as well. Again, another setting spray. I can't get over getting PR from Urban Decay and like a customized bag too. Like, I just thought that was so incredibly thoughtful. Thank you so much, Urban Decay. I'll never get over it. Next package is from 437. Open her up. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Ooh, blue. Socks. I freaking love socks. And this is the raspberry color. I'm so excited I got this blue glacier. The shorts. Espresso. Ooh, scrunch shorts. This is the color espresso. Wait, these aren't scrunch. Oh, wait. Oh, that's cute. It's got a little scrunch on the front. And their material is very, like, a very soft brushed feel. The Lift Bra in Glacier. I love this vibrant blue. And then this is the raspberry 2-in-1 bra. This is cute. It's like a little crop top with a built-in bra in it. I think this is a slay. We have their curve jacket, which is literally the BBL jacket. I get an extra small, and this is again the color Glacier. Thank you so much, 437. Okay, so next we have Olaplex. I recently got PR from them, which again is still so insane because I've been using Olaplex for years. Even when I did people's hair, because again I have my cosmetology license, I was using Olaplex. And I actually did Olaplex standalone treatment before I bleached my hair. It's kind of my routine just to keep my hair healthy from the bleach. I'm excited of what's in here. Good hair days start with Olaplex. Have a great hair wash. Hashtag Olaplex routines. Your friends, my friends. That's so cute. And then it's the number 4 and number 5. So the shampoo and conditioner. Next up is actually 2 Crop Shop Boutique packages. I bought these. These are not PR. I got booted off their PR. I don't know why. But I saw this drop and almost fainted. I have been loving red and yellow all summer long, and they dropped a limoncello launch. And they shot it in, I believe, Positano, which I've been there, obsessed with it. So I was like, I immediately have to add everything to my cart. So we have the, where the heck the tag? Is La Crop. I get extra small. I have this bra in quite a few colors. I really, really like it. It's very similar to, I would say, Alpha Elite Sculpt Aura bra. But when I saw the yellow, I was like, I'm in love. And then I got the matching scrunch leggings because I really like a matching set. And it's the Serenity fabric. I definitely prefer Serenity over the Freedom fabric. This one's definitely a more soft brushed feel, whereas Freedom is slicker. And again, their scrunch is a ruched scrunch. It's not like a seam like Amplify. And then I got their bandeau. If you guys know me, you know I love Crop Shop Boutique's bandeaus. I think they have the best one, honestly, out in the market. I think they've just completely nailed down the bandeau. It's got the silicone grip that really holds up very well all the way around, removable cups, and then a thick band down here and mesh inside. Boutique's bandeaus, they do not slide down. I can work out in them and feel perfectly comfortable. I am small up top though, so if you're larger chested, this might not be ideal, but even hot girl walks, she's a cutie. I got their baseball cap in yellow.
Again, I wanted the full look, and it's got a lemon on it. Oh, that is so cute. Then we got another package. I have the Haven tank. Y'all went crazy for the Haven tank. I also have a link, which I will link right here. It will give you $20 off your first order. So if you shop through that, you'll save $20. The Roosh Yoga Pant and Blossom. This sold out so fast. Last time they dropped this, I was honestly a little bit upset because I was on the website right at launch, snatched. So I'm happy they restocked it because I really, really wanted it. I don't have any, why is it not opening? Yeah, broken. Oh, these feel nice. They are stretchy. Hopefully they're not super short, but I just loved the ruche detailing in the front and back. And again, it was pink, goes with the matching crop top I have. So I have been waiting for this to restock. Oh my gosh, even the yellow, so cute. It's like strawberry banana. And then I got the Haven tank again, but in the vanilla color. I sized down to extra, extra small in this one to really snatch. And I just love their cream. I have this in other pieces, so I can definitely mix and match. And again, this will just go with anything. And I loved it so much. You guys went crazy for it as well. I do think it's worth every penny. It's Freedom fabric, so it is that slicker material, but it holds up really well for your workouts. And then I got the leggings in steel just to kind of match my long line bandeau I had. I'm just a matching set gal, so I wanted it. Again, it's got the ruche scrunch, Serenity fabric, double lined waistband, and I would say Crop Shop Boutique sizing does run a tad snug. So if in between, I would size up.
You attacking my defense. You gon' make me level up and you don't want that. That's why I'ma get this lit. I bet everything I got you, we can run that. Look up to the stars. You see where I are. Universe is my backyard. Pablo Sanchez, knock it out the park. Just like magic, numbers automatic. Look up to the stars. You see where I are. Universe is my backyard. Pablo Sanchez, knock it out the park. Just like magic, numbers automatic. Couple of things I hate is fake flexing. Couple of things I hate is half stepping. Don't let my time go to waste, I need extra. Don't tell me lies to my face, be direct, I direct it like a movie scene, credit. I been stepping, yeah, I fresh as hell, no duplication, there will never be another. Whip like a spaceship when I'm floating through the city in the late night. You wanna play, then get your cake right, but you can't pay to play if it ain't written in your fate. I could never stop and wait, I could never be off pace. I could not be copy paste if I'm the one that made the way. But I know, face the boss like Bowser on Mario 64. Know you be afraid of what you never seen before. It's rare to find a rider that's gonna always be on go. No second guess, no hesitation, pedal to the floor. Look up to the stars, you see where I are. Universe is my backyard. Pablo Sanchez, knock it out the park. Just like magic, numbers automatic. Look up to the stars, you see where I are. Universe is my backyard. Pablo Sanchez.